chicken, the Zador's rice, and the green beans. Can't forget the chicken broth. And now we have our marinade sauce. So now we're cutting it so it can get more flavor. The baked chicken. Now we're putting the baked chicken into a plastic bowl. Now we're putting seasoning on our chicken. We're showing you the seasoning. So now we have our marinade sauce, and we're going to pour some into the plastic bowl. Circle it around. And now we're going to shake it left, right, side to side. Now we're cutting our green beans. And now we're rinsing off our green beans just in case of bugs. And now we're putting it into the pot. Now we're putting our chicken broth into it. Now we're setting it up. And now we're pouring our seasoning into the green beans. The pot with the green beans. So now we're pouring chicken broth into a measuring cup. Now we're pouring our chicken broth into the pan. Now we're setting it up. Now we're putting butter into our pan. Now we're pouring our rice into the pan. Now we're stirring it flat spoon. Now we're putting our onions into the pan. Now we're putting aluminum foil on the pan. And we have the baked chicken in the pan. And now we're going to put it in the oven. And now look at this gorgeous dinner. I mean, like a fabulous and delicious one.